Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 17 of our Marchesi vocal exercises. Today we are doing exercise 21, and we're going to pick up the tempo a little bit on this scale upwards and downwards.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So this one I want you to find a little bit of a flow to. So you start somewhere in the lower part of your range and you can move up and then you can move down, then you can move up again and move down again and kind of like feel out those edges of your range as you're using this. This is a great one to start your day off with. So really feel that this is sort of your vocal therapy moment. Here we go. Encourage you to find on this a little bit more speed, but keeping the precision and keeping the lightness in the scale, because we are going up on 16ths, so you can click that metronome up a few ticks.